In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your HP Megatank 5000 in case you're having issues with your printer. Unfortunately, this cannot be done simply by using the control panel over here. Since it doesn't have a screen, it doesn't have menus, we will need to use the HP app that you have probably on your smartphone to do the reset. So right over here, I have the app. I have previously connected my printer to the app, so this is something you need to do before starting. And I have made a separate video on how to connect the printer to the HP app of your phone. From here, okay, this is the main menu screen of the app. First thing you see, tap on the printer. Then you need to go down. And there's a bunch of things, but we need to go down until you get to printer settings. Then it's the last option over here, view all. Tap on this, go down the list and select advanced settings. This will open, and from here you need to select settings, which is the last option. Go down, and the last is restore default. Tap on this. And then you have a few different choices. So if you don't want to do a full factory reset, you just want to reset the Wi-Fi, you need to select restore network settings. But in our case, we want to do a full reset, so I'll select restore factory default. And right on the top, it will ask us to find the pin code of the printer. Now the pin code of your HP printer is under this panel, so you need to lower it. And right over here, if you take a look, the pin code will be on the left side of the QR code. It will say pin, and under it, the number that you see, well, that's the number you need to type on the app. So once you type the pin over here, type submit, and the printer will be able to factory reset, and afterwards, it usually only takes like a minute or two, the printer will shut down, will power on by itself, and the printer will be like a brand new unit, hopefully without any troubles. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.